This question is from CSIR NET December 2019 mathematics question. The question is from non-linear ordinary differential equation. Okay, and it also autonomous differential equations. Question is given that consider the system of differential equation dx by dt 4x cube equals to 4x cube y square minus x to the power 5 y to the power 4 and dy by dt equals to x to the power 4 y to the power 5 plus 2x square y to the power cube. Then for this system there exists a closed path in x comma y belongs to R2 pair such that x square plus y square is equal to 5, and second option, a closed path in pair of x comma y belongs to R2 such that 5 less than x square plus y square less than equal to 10, and option third, a closed path in pair of x comma y belongs to R2 such that x square plus y square greater 10, and fourth option, no closed path in R2. Okay, so given system of non-linear differential equation, we see observe it from the given differential equations, and also notice that the right hand side of these differential equations are free from the independent variable t. So these differential equations are called autonomous differential equations. And for this type of differential equation, the existence of closed path, okay, can be concluded by Poincare-Bendixson theorem. This theorem tells about the closed path of nonlinear autonomous system of differential equation. What this theorem tells? This theorem tells that if a nonlinear autonomous system is dx by dt equals to function of x comma y and dy by dt equal to g of function of x comma y, okay, where the functions f x comma y and g x comma y are continuous and have continuous first order partial derivative throughout the phase plane. Okay, there are two theorems under the Poincare-Bendixson theorem, theorem A and theorem B, but to identify closed path only theorem B is sufficient. What it tells? It tells that if del f by del x plus del g by del y is always positive or always negative in a certain region of the phase plane, that is, they are not changing their sign. Okay, thus if the sign of this expression is unchanged throughout the region, then the system 1, that is this system, cannot have closed path in that region. Okay, so for this given problem, here f x comma y equals to 4x cube y square minus x to the power 5 y to the power 4 and g x comma y equal to x to the power 4 y to the power 5 plus 2 x square y cube. Now notice that f and g both are polynomial function with two variables x and y. Okay, so they everywhere continuous and they also differentiable. First order partial derivative exists for both f and g. So we can apply Poincare-Bendixson theorem. Now notice that for closed path, or we already state that del f by del x and del g by del y is always positive or always negative. Okay, now we will check the sign of del f by del x plus del g by del y. This equals to 12 x square y square minus 5 x to the power 4 y to the power 4 plus 5 x to the power 4 y to the power 4 plus 6 x square y square. Okay, this equals to plus minus cancel out 18 of x square y square. Okay, this equals to, we can write it at 3 root 2 xy whole square. Okay, since this is square of something, so it always get at 0. So we notice that del f by del x and del g by del y is always get at 0 for all x comma y. For all x comma y, that is pair belongs to R2. For all x comma y belongs to R2, del f by del x plus del g by del y get at 0. So by Poincare-Bendixson theorem, we can conclude that the given system, that is this, the given system has no closed path. So option 4 is the right answer.
Please subscribe my channel for latest video on solutions of CSIR NET, applied maths and also pure maths, and like and share if you satisfy with my solutions.